Hey guys, how's it going today? Lori here on Vancouver Island, and we are still in lockdown just like everybody else is in spring of 2020. So we're making the best of it. Honey is working his butt off to create more things for me. I'm going to share some of that with you. And then we're going to dive right into a paint pour. I have one of my wooden squares. I'm repainting it because I didn't like the way it turned out. And I've got a mixture, just a bunch of custom blends that I've made, peaches and pinks, and I think I'm going to use maybe some black accent and got a little bit of blue. So I'm just going to throw those on there, try to use those paints up, and we'll see how it turns out. So guys, thanks so much for being here, and thanks for watching. I really do appreciate having you here, and I hope that you're having a great day. Okay. So here's my dear, sweet, wonderful husband, or the back of him anyway, and he is building me this amazing drying rack for my artwork.
See, that drops it. That drops a whole inch.
Does it really?
Yeah.
And we're wanting it level, of course, but our house is not level. It drops a whole inch, so I'm not sure what we're going to do to make it level. But then we're going to enclose it so it's an airtight drying room without racks or without dust and stuff. So, yay for having a fabulous husband.
Slave, more like it.
I love you.
Yeah.
Okay, so here it is in all its glory. And I don't know if you can see in this light. I'm going to try twisting it a bit. Look at that gold shimmer that showed up in that. That's just gorgeous. And that blue really, really added something. And I've got some cell action going on there, but they're not just non-colored cells. They're actual real cells that have some color and shape to them, so I don't hate them. You know, I just don't like it when I get all just white cells that kind of take over the whole painting from me. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I hope you have had a good day. I know I said that at the beginning, but I always seem to say it again at the end. I really do appreciate you. I appreciate all your comments, and please, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you must. If you hate my videos or you think I'm doing something wrong and could do something better, you can certainly let me know that too. I'm always willing to listen to suggestions. I did order some lighting finally. Yay! Being in quarantine, I've been trying to make it work with what we've got, but I finally found a good one on Amazon, and that'll be coming soon. I'm super excited. Anyway, guys, I gotta get going, and I will see you soon. Bye now.